Welcome back to Kids Toyland. Today we're gonna learn farm animals. Let's get started. Our first animal is a black horse. And what color is he again? Black. Black's right. Great job. Horse. Let's see what animal we get next. Ooh, what's this? It says moo. It's a cow. A brown and white cow. Moo. Cow. Great job. Now, let's see what we get. Here's a fun animal. What does it say? Do you know? Comment below. This is a pig. Pig. And a pig says, oink, oink. Did you get it right? Say, I got it, if you did. Oink, oink. Now we have another horse. It's a little brown horse. Horse. Let's put our horse over by our other horse. So now we have two horses. And what is this animal? It sure is fluffy and white. Sheep is right. It's a sheep. Let's put our sheep over by our pig. Oh, and what's this animal? It's a dog. Dog. Ruff, ruff. Dog. Let's put our doggy right over here. Oh, I think we had one of these already. What is it? It's a cow, that's right. And this cow is black and white. This is a black and white cow. Let's put our black and white cow over by our brown and white cow. Great job. Ooh, what's this animal? It's a wolf. A wolf. Ow! Wolf. Let's put the wolf in the back. What's this cute little animal? It likes to hop around and eat carrots and wiggle his nose. It's a rabbit. You got it. Great job. Let's put the rabbit right over here next to our dog. Oh, look at here. We have another pig. And what color is this pig? Pink. This is a pink pig. Great job. Let's put our pink pig over by our other pig. There we go. So we have two pigs. Oh, and look at this little guy. What is this animal? This is a cat. Meow. Meow. Great job. Let's put our cat over here. Now we have another sheep. sheep. Now we have 2 sheep. Let's put our sheep by the other sheep. Great job, boys and girls. Let's keep it up. Ooh, what color is this horse? Can you tell? He's brown, that's right. Now we have 3 horses. Let's put it over by our other horse. There we go. What animal next? Oh, look at this little guy. Do you know what this is called? He's super cute. It's a raccoon. Well done. Great job, everybody. Let's put our raccoon over by our cat. There we go. He is so cute. Put him right there. All right. Next, we have another horse. Oh my goodness. We now have 4 horses. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 horses. There we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Great job. Here's a goat. And what color is our goat? It's gray. Great job. We have a gray goat. He's pretty cute. Let's put him right back here. Now we have another cow. Oh my goodness. How many cows does that make? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. 3 cows. Wow. So many cows. And here we have this animal. Do you know what it is? It's a donkey. Donkey. Great job, boys and girls. Let's put the donkey back here with the goat, because the goat's a little lonely. We have one more animal left. And what is this? Is it a chicken? Buck, 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 buck. A chicken. Great job. Let's put our chicken back here too. Let's move some animals around. There we go. Wow, we learned so many farm animals today. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you next time. Bye.